Hello guys, come with us to Kanunga Waterfalls in Murang'a County. So this is us en route to Murang'a to go and discover this gem, this hidden gem. Tag along. We are 27 of us that are excited to go and see what Murang'a has for us. Sisi tuko tumeshuka gari, tuko hapo chini, we are excited to go down. Kanunga Waterfalls. Alafu tu maji hapo twa kukunywa. That's us going down. Kwa koka mteremko ndo tufike huko chini kwa maji. Kelvin, again. Hi. Niko poa. YouTube nature. My BFF struggling to go down.
Kwa ground.
And to post all the good photos. Let me tell you, mine, it was a hassle for BFF to go down. But at the end of the day, she managed to.
Hey!
Hey, alafu manzi, these people are just, yani, they were just a vibe, real vibes. We really had a good time down there, the falls, yani, they were just cruising, they were making every moment so fun. Wenye waliweza kuogelea ndo hao kwa maji, swimming, wale mapro wa kuogelea. And of course, we had to take a moment, take some pictures, of course. So we created so many memories of this day. We made the most out of the day. Yeah, now sisi we're just taking pictures and pictures. Then tukapanda gari, went, had lunch, alafu headed to another fall, that's the Twin Falls. Watu walikuwa mchuka kuogelea, so we just took some photos. Yeah, the people were satisfied. We took our way back, but not we were getting ready to get up Okoju for another session to celebrate a February born babies. So here we had a moment to cut the cake for February born babies and called it at the end. Went back to the bus and started our journey back to Nairobi ndo sisi kwa highway. We really had a good day. I hope you too, seeing this, can plan a day to go and visit Kanunga Waterfalls. Yeah, that's the crew wenye tulikuwa huko, and we are grateful for choosing to travel with us. Thank you. Bye.